Almost everyone at some point has needed to keep something cold, whether it be pasta salad for a potluck, medicine, or groceries. Usually we would just use ice packs and insulated bags or coolers to solve this problem, although some would risk speeding through the pothole-filled rocky roads of Louisiana to make sure their rocky road doesn't melt. But with how hot it can get here, ice packs tend to melt pretty quickly, and while melted ice cream may be a minor inconvenience, traveling with cold meats or medicines can be a much higher risk, especially when they have to be kept at specific temperatures you can't set with ice packs alone.
Our solution to this problem was to come up with a smart cooler. This cooler does not require ice cubes or ice bags. Using cooling technology as well as Bluetooth, consumers are able to set a specific temperature on their phones for the cooler to stay at. Also through Bluetooth, users are able to lock and unlock the cooler from wherever they are.
Here we have the outside of the box where you can see the power supply and the Arduino device with all the wires going to the inside of the box. And next to this we have our Peltier Cooling System that connects into the breadboard. And here on the inside, we have all of the wires connecting into the breadboard, along with the Bluetooth module and the DS1620 digital thermometer. How it works is first a user will input a temperature through the terminal of the Dabble app. Dabble will then send this input to the Bluetooth module that gets sent to the Arduino. The Arduino then compares the input to the temperature reading from the digital thermometer. If the temperature of the box is higher than the input temperature, it will then turn on the Peltier coolers. Once the internal temperature of the box has reached the input temperature, the Peltier coolers will turn off.
Our locking system is made of a servo, a Bluetooth sensor, and a sliding lock. For this specific Bluetooth sensor, we utilize the Dabble app. The servo is attached to the sliding lock, and the gamepad within the Dabble app is opened. Once the left arrow button has been pushed, the servo receives a command and turns to the left, engaging the lock. When users wish to unlock the cooler, they simply have to press the right arrow and the servo will follow the command and disengage the lock.
Throughout the project, we used various disciplines of engineering. For example, in my own discipline, cyber engineering, we used a lot of different coding in our project for the Arduino and for the Bluetooth devices. Additionally, the process of connecting the software and hardware components does also tie back into cyber engineering.